Hello and welcome back to Monster and Angel, and this time with the Monster guy. By Monster guy I mean myself. The previous videos were uploaded by the Angel guy, which is one of my besties, and yeah, so I think we have had enough gaming on this channel. I think it's time to do a bit of different kind of fun, and by that I actually mean today we're gonna try and destroy Earth by shooting Moon and Mars into it. So I'm not gonna destroy our beautiful home Earth or kill you. I'm gonna do that inside a simulation. By simulation I mean Universe Sandbox 2. So what actually Universe Sandbox 2 is, it is a simple virtual space where you can put all the things like heavenly bodies like Earth and other thing, and it will and you can do all your experiments. In other words, you can do all your experiments. So welcome to the solar system. This is our own solar system. You might be like, why isn't anything moving? This is actually the real-time and live solar system. So the Earth is going to take 1 year to revolve around the sun. So yeah, let me just show you our planet Earth. And okay, this is going into sun, by the way. Let me just zoom out and go. Let me zoom into the Earth, and yep, this is our planet Earth. Since this is real-time solar system, so right now it is day in United States. Okay, so let me just head towards the real reason we are creating this video. So let me just go out and create an empty simulation. The first thing I'm gonna add is definitely Earth, because we'll have to bombard it with Mars or Moon. So here we have the Moon. Let me just launch it. Launch Moon towards the Earth with pretty. Yep, here is Earth. I've launched it towards Earth. Let me just slow things down. Okay, I've slowed things down. So basically, Moon is going to take a pretty long amount of time to reach Earth. I guess, yep, it is going to take a long amount of time to reach it. Let me just speed things just a little bit, and there you go. Moon is holding towards Earth. Let me slow, and there we are. Yep, I think this is pretty cool to have. This much time is pretty cool to have. Okay, so the Moon is coming towards the Earth, as you can see. Yep, it is heading towards the Earth. Let's see what actually is gonna happen. Will anybody survive or not? What is gonna be the temperature? Remember, right now it is 14.2 degrees centigrade, which is actually the surface temperature of Earth. Okay, so the Moon is heading, and yep, it is pretty close. And there we go. We are gonna be. There we go. Boom. There we have. Okay. Wow, so we have here the temperature has quickly changed to 38.5 degrees centigrade. One side of the Earth is completely baffled and is burning with lava, as you can see, I guess, and the other side is pretty fine. I guess some humans will be able to survive this cataclysmic event, and maybe from the future generations. Basically, as you can see, it's actually hit the Asian side of the Earth, and the American continents are pretty fine. And let me just speed things up and see and bring the temperature back to normal and see how much time it is going to take. We are 38.5 degrees centigrade, 38.4, 38.2, returning back to normal, 36. One second. Temperature is going 36.5, 36.2, 35, and very cool, going pretty fast. And it should get to normal. It's 16 degrees centigrade. I think this is pretty okay. And there we go. Let me just slow things down to see. Okay. Yep, I guess this is enough. So as you can see in here, we have our Earth. What are the changes? I think, wow, we got a bit more mass in here. Malaysia and Indonesia are no longer islands. They are connected to Asia, and Australia has took kind of a bull shape. Wow, that's cool. And India has got a bit more land to it, and so has Pakistan, just a bit. And now we have we have a bit more land. That Iran is connected to Qatar and Arabian Peninsula. Wow, we got a bit land bridge between Africa and Arabian continents and Arabia. Okay, so there's still space between Africa and Spain. Okay, that's cool. Well, I guess we have a lot more land in here too. Let me just speed things just a bit. Okay, this is seemingly just okay, and yep, we're back to the American continents, which are exactly like they were. Okay, which seem like exactly like they were, except this little change. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now let's head to the second part of our experiment, which is going to be hitting Earth with Mars. Okay, so yeah, let me just go and create a new empty simulation. Here we are. Let me just add Earth just as before. Yep, there we go, we have Earth, and I want to launch Mars straight towards Earth. Mars straight towards Earth, and here we go. Boom. And let me just, okay, it's too fast. No, I have slowed it, seriously slowed it, and okay, now this one was pretty close to go and hit Earth. Then I reached in here. Okay, there we are. The Earth is gonna get hit by Mars. I don't think anyone is gonna survive except the single-celled organisms, because yeah, no one can survive such a big event, such a big troubly event, which is serious trouble. We got minutes, and Mars is moving towards Earth pretty fast now. Okay, let's see what actually is gonna happen. Brace for the impact, I guess. It's still pretty slow, and there we go. It's pretty close, and boom. And we got fragments coming out of Earth too. Well, I guess this is gonna create another moon. These are gonna create some moons, and Earth is taking back the debris it left outside. So it is Earth is gonna take back the debris it left outside, so due to gravity. Okay, the temperature has become immense, 3,484 degrees centigrade. Wow, now that is pretty cool. I don't think anyone is going to survive except the single-celled organisms, and there's a very less chance for humans to return on this planet now. Maybe they survived, they can't go to Mars because Mars is something that came in. Okay, now that is pretty cool. Let me just quickly move pretty fast, and see what's going to happen into the future. And we have the temperature turning back to normal, and okay, it's became cold. Remember that there is no sun around in here. Since there is no sun around in here, there was nothing to keep Earth warm, and it became minus 269 degrees centigrade. Let me change the temperature to return back to 15 degrees centigrade, which is it's actually the current temperature, to see what actually gonna happen. Okay, there we go. We got the keyboard. Let me just move things down in here just a bit. And where is the temperature? Mars name, radius, density, surface temperature. Let me make it 15 degrees centigrade. Just exactly we have on Earth, 15 degrees centigrade. And boom, there we are. We have changed the temperature happily, and there we go. We have Earth, which is, it looks pretty familiar. Let me just slow things down in here. Okay, here we go. We got the sun, we got the Earth here, and what are the changes? Okay, still no big change, and still got more land in here. That's pretty cool. We got land connecting Iran and the Arabian areas. We got very strong connection between Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Well, Spain has came just a bit out, like stretching here, and okay, we were here. As you can see, the American continent seems to have gone just a little black, and no serious change. Wow, we have a big change. We have a big change. We have a serious big change, as you can see. There, I'll let it come from the other side because right now there's night. We can't see things clearly. Oh wow, we have here in Australia. It has taken exact same shape, but it has a lot more land now. And this is New Zealand, as you can see. Wow, now this is cool. And Malaysia and Indonesia have got a lot more land too. So this is so cool. Well, we don't have to worry about population because we have a pretty more land. We're not alive anymore. So yeah, India has got a lot more land, as you can see. So has Pakistan, and yeah, we got Sri Lanka connected to India. Wow, pretty good amount of changes in here. So yeah, a lot more land has increased on Earth, and soon we're gonna see the American continents. I guess they have gone through a pretty good amount of change because the two American continents have been separated by some islands in the middle and the ocean and seas. That's so cool. Well, Africa seems to have taken a knock. Yep, it has. It has got some small. Wow, now this is cool. They got a little more ponds of water in the middle of Africa. Now this is even more cool. And yeah, so this is pretty cool. And also a bit larger ones in South American continents, Brazil and not Uruguay, I think this is Colombia, I don't know. And wow, the two American continents have been splitted in two different states. Okay, now this is cool. Yep, now that would bring us to the end of this video, I think. Thanks for watching. Comment down below. Don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see in the next video. Probably a black hole near the solar system, or probably another sun popping out right next to Jupiter or something like that. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will leave that to the outro. Thanks for watching. Bye.